Hey everyone, I'm Anjali and welcome back to my YouTube channel Teen Guru. So today I'm going to make a requested video, that is routine video. Today I'm going to tell you how I manage my daily routine and how I make my timetable. Let's go. So the first question is why we need a timetable. Timetable obviously helps us to manage our time, plus it is like a GPS. While going somewhere, if we have our GPS, we can reach our destination quickly, and if we don't have it, we cannot reach our destination on time, or we will find ourselves sitting somewhere else. Same with timetable. If we have it, we will do correct things on correct time with correct order, and if we do not have it, we will find ourselves doing wrong things with wrong timing. Now, to make a timetable, we just have to set our goals according to days, weeks and months. Don't make it time bound. Set your timetable subject wise. Suppose I say I will revise 2 chapters of science in 1 day. Then I say that I will revise 2 chapters of science in 2 hours. I don't know when will I do it, but I will do 2 chapters of science in 2 hours only. Next, don't forget to add 7 to 8 hours of sleep and 1 hour of playtime, or I can call it my leisure time, in which I will be on my phone or do something else. Now with these ideologies, make your timetable. It can be like 10 to 12 for 2 hours. I will revise. I don't know what I will revise, but I'm going to revise from 10 to 12. I have made my timetable with these ideologies. You can check my timetable on the description box below, and you can also download it from the link in the description. And you can see that I have made 2 slots of 1 hour and 2 hour. In 1 hour slot, I'm going to do all the subjects that are not lengthy for me or that are easy for me, and I can do it in no time, means 1 hour only. I need only 1 hour for that. And in the 2 hour slot, I'm to do the lengthier subjects that it's difficult for me or I take time for it, means they're lengthier subjects like maths, science or SSC. Now the question is, every time we make a timetable, we do not follow it, a maximum for 2 to 3 days. Why can't we stick to our own timetable? The reason is we have a mindset that after 2-3 days something will happen and it's all done, no timetable for next 2 months. Stronger willpower. If something happens, like for example, if someone comes to your home and if you go somewhere else and you cannot follow your timetable anymore, or it breaks your timetable, don't care. As fast as you can, return to your timetable from that particular time. Suppose as fast as you come back home, restart your timetable from that time, and stick your timetable at a place that you see every day, like any notebook or a diary, and stick to your timetable with all your concentration, motivation and stronger willpower for that. Make a timetable that you are willing to follow. Add play times to that timetable and make a timetable that you are happy to follow. So these are my ideologies to make my timetable, and this is how I manage my time with my timetable. From these ideologies you can make your own timetable too. And tell me in the comment section below if you want more educational videos like this. We are going to start a series of educational videos like this video, and that will help teenagers or students for their studies. And if you like the video, like, share, subscribe and follow my Instagram page. Bye.